Good morning, boys and girls. We're looking at the letter E today. We learned about Ms. E yesterday. E is a vowel, which is why it's yellow and has the light. A vowel has two sounds, so her short sound is E for exercise. Her long sound is E because that is her name. There's the uppercase E. There's the lowercase e. Here is our book for the letter E. The Enormous Elephant Show. The author is Liza Charlesworth, so she wrote the story. The illustrator is Nadine Bernard Westcott, so she drew our pictures. There's a long E at the beginning of enormous. There's a short E at the beginning of elephant. Listen for things that begin with the letter E. Elvin the elephant is waiting backstage. To start his show, just turn the page. And the sign says, The Enormous Elephant Show starring Elvin. And he is singing, Let me entertain you. Elvin the elephant makes an E out of eels. Elvin the elephant tosses eggplants to seals. Elvin the elephant does excellent dives. Elvin the elephant bakes elderberry pies. Elvin the elephant pulls an elk from a hat. Elvin the elephant sends email to his cat. On the computer emailing his cat. Elvin the elephant models elegant clothes. Elvin the elephant skates with eggs on his toes. Elvin the elephant climbs evergreen trees. Elvin the elephant eats a mountain of peas. Elvin the elephant exercises with a cow. Elvin the elephant takes an enormous bow. And everyone's cheering, encore, encore. That means they want him to do some more. His sign says, the end. All right, so then we look at our picture for things that begin with short E, or long E, E. We know elephant begins with a short E. Eggs begins with a short E sound. Eels begin with a long E. Then exit sign, that's a short E. Eggplant is a short E, that's a vegetable. Elk is a short E sound. See anything else? Let's check. Elephant, eels, elk, eggplant, eggs, and exit. I think we got them all. Way to go. All right, here's our cheer for the letter E. E is for elephant. E is for ear. E is for elk, a kind of deer. E is for egg, elbow, and eye. E is for eagle that soars through the sky. Hooray for E, big and small, the most excellent, exciting letter of all. And he made an E out of the eels. All right, boys and girls, so after that you will work on your E page, your writing page. You're going to use a pencil when you are writing. I'll use a marker just so you can see it. But when we write, we always write with a pencil. At the top, they show you how to make an E. So you can use your finger to trace it. For an uppercase E, it's a tall letter. You go straight down top to bottom, then over across the top line, over across the middle line, over across the bottom line. So you go straight down, over, over, over. going to trace that whole row of uppercase E's. Uppercase E is a pretty easy letter to write. Then you're going to come down after you finish that row and you're going to write your own row of uppercase E's. Straight down, over, over, over. After you finish the uppercase E, go back up and look at your lowercase e. It's a little bit trickier. You start your finger right there in the middle. It's a short letter. So you're going to start in the middle and you're going to go over. You go up to that dotted line and curve it around. It's going to take some practice. Go over, go up, and curve it around like you did a lowercase c. So when you trace it, put your pencil, go over, up, around, over, up, curve it around like a C. Then you're going to write a row of lowercase e. You put your pencil right there in the middle in that empty space. Go over, go up to the dotted line, curve it around. It's going to take a little bit of practice. Some of you have lowercase e's in your name. All right, then you end up by doing what we always do. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Uppercase E, lowercase e. And then you do a row of those by yourself. All right, boys and girls, finish up your E paper. Remember the E is a vowel, so it has two sounds. Short sound E, long sound E.